Hello friends, welcome to Timeless Foodies, and I'm today yet here with another tasty recipe. It's Hakka noodles with Indian spices. Sounds different? So let's get started. So firstly I've taken a kadai, put water in it and a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. And once the water starts boiling, I've added here 150 grams of Hakka noodles. So we'll cook it until it is nice and soft. Mix it all well so that doesn't cooks evenly. So here I'm checking right now if the noodles have cooked. So I've just used it my hand and yes, it broke easily, so we will keep it aside. So for that I have to strain the excess water. So I have taken a strainer and strained the noodles into it, and that will spread it across so that it can become cool. So for the noodles to stop cooking, I have added water, cold water on it, and then added half teaspoon of oil so that the noodles don't stick to each other. So we'll keep this aside while we'll be making the few masalas that we will be adding to this noodles. So I've taken a kadai and added little bit of oil in this, some around 1 teaspoon. So I've taken one medium sized chopped onions, cut it into long. So we'll saute the onions over here. We'll not cook it, we'll not fry it, we don't want it to be soft. We'll saute it for 1 minute. So once it becomes a little transparent, we'll keep it aside. Into same kadai I've added 2 eggs, whisked it well. We'll allow it to cook. So I'll cover it with a lid as well so that it can cook on the top as well. Now while I check it, I can see most of the top of the egg is cooked. So now we will flip it on the other side so that it can fry on the top as well. So I flipped it and you can see it is really cooked well and fried as well. So we'll cut it into small pieces. We don't want to make it very small, but a little medium size, depending upon which size you want the omelette to be. So now might have noticed I have not added any spices right now, but yes, now it will go in. So now I'll be adding sufficient salt. Spices is just one spice that I have added over here, that is red chili powder, and nothing else is going into it. It's very simple and tasty recipe, very quick as well. When you don't have anything at home, don't have sauces, do not have soy sauce, etc. for noodles, you can try this. Here I'm adding a little bit of oil as well so that it doesn't burn out. Now adding the onions which we have kept aside. Mix all this well so that the salt and the red chili powder can mix it all well and gives taste to the onions as well as the omelette. So this is done. Now we'll be adding the curry leaves. It gives an amazing aroma. So now this is done. So we'll be adding finally the noodles. So still it is in the low flame. Mix all this well. So we will mix it and fry it for a minute. And we'll taste it as well. If you want more spices you can add. So yes, this is done, looking amazing. You can have it with sauce, tomato sauce, any kind of sauce you want, chutney as well. It's very tasty and easy at home that you can make for yourself, for your kids, when you don't have anything available at home. If you like this recipe, do hit the like button, and if you're new, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will know any type of recipe that I make. You'll be the first one to know. So thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. God bless. Bye bye.